Hello everyone. So here my kids are Umu Uchichuku dancing or practicing how to dance this TikTok video, and I was like, okay, you guys are doing well, you are doing great, but yeah, we got to eat. So I told the eldest child, that's my son over there, to please go to the kitchen and fix us something to eat. And then he did it. Yes, he went to the kitchen and here it is about to make the most delicious beans you have ever seen and taste, guys. Future daughter-in-law. As you can see, I'm grooming your husband to be a perfect gentleman. That even when you are unfit, he will be there for you, to cook for you, and to make you better. Okay, so yeah, here it is cooking for us. Beans for the day. He is just, I won't say just. 14 is not just. Yeah, he is in his teens, a teenager, a 14-year-old teenager in my house cooking for me and the entire family. So yeah, I'm really doing a wonderful work. Now I came to check up and see how far it is going. I let him not come and cook on done beans for us, guys. So I have to supervise him to see that he is in the right lane, like he's doing the cooking well. Okay, so yeah, I came to supervise, and I was like, gosh, it is so good to have someone helping you at home. Some parents will say, or some women will say, they prefer a female child first to be that's female child to be the first, their first child after marriage. But then if you have a male child as your first, you can groom him to be your female child. Yeah, yes, that is what I'm doing with my son. He is gradually learning, you know, how to cook in order to assist me. If I'm not available or I'm not fit, he got his siblings covered. Yeah. So here is the most delicious buns you've ever heard. Look at this beauty. Look at those beauty, guys. So I decided to test it, and it's giving everything. Guys, this is not the first time he's cooking, by the way. It's not his first time. Ede. Ede papa. It's not Ede.
Ede.
Hmm?
Ede.
Ede. Guys, it's good. It is good. It's given. Mm, it's hot. I'm gonna like play. I've gotten a chef in my house. A chef, guys. It's nice. Bye.